Pro 6000 series haulage trucks are equipped with unmatched safety features that guarantee a complete peace of mind and assured safety for the driver. Its unique cabin, assembled through robotic welding, is entirely dual-paneled that increases its lifetime and enhances its safety. It has been rigorously crash-tested as per AIS 029 norms, guaranteeing higher structural strength and endurance. All-round visibility, 3-point ELR seatbelt, blind spot mirrors further enhances safety, making the Pro 6000 cabin a perfectly safe workplace for the driver.